All right, guys, so I have had a whole lot of comments on my video of the RD-Diag 900 Lite from TopDon on if it can do ECU coding or if it can do key programming. And the answer to that was no. But TopDon just released a new model of their Phoenix lineup that is more affordable. And guess what it can do? So first things first, it comes in this beautiful hardshell case. Create your password. You get a 9-inch super responsive screen. Hook this bad boy up to Wi-Fi, and you could also screen share to any monitor or TV in your shop. If you ever want to take a screenshot where you don't forget where you left off and what codes you had, just click this right here. It saves it. Go back to your home screen, go to your gallery, and right there it is. This is also a fully bi-directional scanner. What I mean by that is I could turn your lift pump on and off. I could disable injectors to find a misfire or a problem with the injector. I could turn on your glow plug relay on and off. It goes on and on and on. And you could also do a VGT turbo relearn, or you could do a sweep on it. And yes, for you diesel guys, this does do an injector quantity adjustment. Let's go ahead and check for codes. This thing also has Google built in, so whenever your code pops up, all you got to do is just click over here, click that little Chrome icon, and it'll take you right to Google, and you can search what that code might mean. Or just like most high-end scan tools, you could also click this icon here and go to any website you want. This thing also on the back does have speakers in it, so you can watch a video and listen to it. And yes, you could program keys. So earlier today, I had this thing hooked up to a 6-liter Power Stroke. Let's go ahead and look at some real-life usage on it. Here's another question I also get all the time. Can it do a buzz test on a 6.0 or a 7.3? Yes. Another feature that I really love is when you're looking at live data and you can't seem to find what you're wanting, you could type in what you're looking for in the search bar and it'll pop right up. Another thing that my shitty Snap-on scanner does not do. Right here is almost a full minute of me scrolling through live data, looking at all the numbers and parameters on this truck, and I still didn't even get to the bottom. If you've made it this far, you might as well just keep watching.